Hi there, welcome to Fritchie's Rebel Garage. Come on inside and hang out a little bit. There's a cold beer in the fridge for you and another great project to work on in the garage. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do this year to get ready is I got a brand new battery that's got to go in. Last year, towards the end of the year, the battery was no longer holding a charge. I was finding myself having to jump start the machine constantly. So this year we're going to start with a fresh new battery in it. And I'm going to show you how to put that in right now. Alright, so first step, you got to disconnect your battery. Always start at the ground. Once you disconnect your grounds, your positive will be safer to disconnect from the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Got the ground disconnected over here. Now we can safely disconnect the positive. And the reason you're doing this is because if you disconnect your positive first, there is a possibility of shorting out between your tools and the frame of the vehicle. And when you take your ground cables off first, you can safely remove the positive without accidentally shorting it out. And down here on my Cub Cadet zero turn, there's the bolts. You got to figure out how you take your hold down off. The bolt for that is down here. Pull the old battery out. Well, I got the battery out. I'm gonna just try to really quickly grab as much of this old dead grass that was piled in here. Get some of that out of the way. Your battery. Put down. Make sure we're not crushing any wires. Put back in the battery hold down. Remove the shipping caps from the terminals. And now we can hook up our battery cables opposite from the way we took them off. So we're going to go ahead, well, this time we put the positive goes together first. There. And last we'll hook up the negative. All right, and there we go. So that's one new battery put in the zero turn. Super easy project. Anybody can do it on their own. Alright guys, the old zero turn is now one step closer to being ready for this year's mowing season. In the next episode, we're going to go ahead and mount these tires to these wheels. It should give us a better grip for out in the field around here. If you've enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that like button. This way you'll always stay up to date on everything going on. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.